Picture this, capturing your entire day without even touching your camera. That's exactly what DJI aims to achieve with its upcoming Osmo Nano. Designed with creators in mind, this small, wearable device could be a game-changer for those who want to record from a first-person perspective without missing the moment. It's expected to challenge the likes of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and Insta360 Go 3S, but with a cleaner, more modular setup. Leaked visuals suggest a dual-component design. The top half houses the main camera, slightly larger than the Insta360 Go 3S, possibly due to enhanced optics or built-in stabilization tech. The bottom half appears to include the battery, a small display, control buttons, and maybe even speaker or mic vents. The whole unit magnetically connects to a lanyard worn around your neck, offering an effortless POV capture experience. The addition of a flippable screen hints at support for both vlogging and selfie-style videos. As for performance, you can expect features like 4K video recording, DJI's rock-steady stabilization, and seamless app integration. The official release is slated for July 23, 2025, and the price is expected to land between $300 and $400. DJI has dabbled in modular cameras before, most notably with the Action 2, but it wasn't without flaws. The concept was praised for innovation, but the design received mixed reviews for durability and usability. With the Osmo Nano, however, DJI may be stepping things up. Rumors suggest it will include a 1-inch CMOS sensor and support 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. DJI cameras are known for their strong performance in low-light conditions, and this model seems poised to continue that tradition. Combined with upgraded rock-steady 3.0 stabilization and horizon leveling, this wearable camera should excel in active settings like biking, extreme sports, or even aerial footage via drones. Of course, with modular gear, durability is always a question. From mountain biking to snowboarding, action cameras take a beating. DJI will need to ensure that this modular design is rugged enough to meet the needs of adventurous users. Meanwhile, the Osmo Nano may not be the only big thing coming from DJI. Recent leaks point to the long-awaited Osmo 360 finally nearing release. This project had gone quiet for months, leading many leakers included to believe it had been scrapped. But newly surfaced images tell a different story. The design looks nearly finalized and could be on the market as early as July. These leaks reveal a polished, compact device, much like the GoPro Max, with large dual lenses for immersive 360-degree footage. Teardown images suggest DJI is using an internal mirror system angled at 45 degrees to redirect light efficiently, similar to the Insta360 X3. This smart use of space allows powerful hardware to fit inside a sleek frame. Visual renders and size comparisons with devices like the Insta360 X4 and the Osmo Action 5 Pro suggest a portable and practical design. The camera appears to include a front-facing screen for live previews and a simple control interface. However, some feel the display could be larger, and the lack of a visible mounting hook is disappointing. Unlike Insta360's signature invisible stick, this model may require a separate mounting system. Adding to the buzz, new photos of the Osmo Action 6 just surfaced. These images emerged after DJI's FCC confidentiality period expired, offering a glimpse into what could be the final or near-final design. While insiders caution that the design might still change, it's clear the release is close. The design maintains the familiar dual-screen layout front and back with a larger lens module up front. There's also a mysterious pill-shaped element below the front screen, the purpose of which is still unknown. Two different battery sizes have been spotted: 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh, hinting at a possible standard and Pro model setup. This could mirror DJI's approach with the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which already uses the larger battery. If DJI does indeed launch two versions, the Pro model may offer longer battery life, better stabilization, and advanced features like high-resolution video capture, while the standard version might appeal more to everyday users looking for simplicity and portability. Battery life remains a key concern for many action camera users, especially for those capturing extended time lapses or long adventures. A dual variant strategy could help DJI cater to both ends of the market, from casual vloggers to pro-level content creators. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was well received for its design, quality, and flexibility, but there's still room for improvement, particularly in low-light performance and resolution. Enhancing these features in the Action 6 would make it a more compelling alternative to GoPro and Insta360 cameras. Even stabilization, though already strong, could see further refinements. Considering DJI's history of rapid iteration, a follow-up to the Action 5 Pro arriving just months later would fit the company's strategy of evolving quickly based on community feedback. With the Action camera space as competitive as ever, the upcoming Osmo Action 6 could solidify DJI's place in the market with better image quality, stabilization, and intelligent features.